Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Joy here again, and I am back. And I know I have a lot of explaining to do if you're still subscribed. So bear with me. After months of contemplating about coming back to YouTube, I decided to come back. There's a lot of things that really factor into that decision. But one of the biggest things was I just really missed doing YouTube. But I was holding myself back because I was trying to figure out what direction I wanted to take my channel post all these wig reviews. And don't get me wrong, y'all, I loved doing the wig reviews and they might be here and there, but I always wanted my channel to be more than that. And this is why there was always like little scattered videos here and there that had nothing to do with wig reviews. I'm gonna say 2 years ago, I had transitioned my wig tutorials and my wig reviews into TikTok. And when, TikTok and Reels and all of that took over, it's like it took away from YouTube. Now, that's not an excuse because YouTube itself has shorts and I could have just uploaded it there. But I got so overwhelmed with all these social media outlets. And I don't know if you guys feel the same way, but I just wish that Meta would just connect everything like TikTok and yeah, TikTok, Facebook and Instagram are connected. So it makes it easy for me to put my content on Facebook. But all this having to edit the video a certain way and then edit it another certain way for TikTok and then edit another certain way for YouTube Shorts so that my channel itself stayed monetized was a lot for me. And again, I don't see that as an excuse because at the end of the day, like creators found a way to make all their platforms work. But I aimed to stay active on all platforms. And don't get me wrong, there are there's YouTubers that I love them. I follow them. I love their work. And their following and engagement is like way less on Instagram. And that's kind of what I didn't want to do. Like I wanted everything across the board to just be active, but it's just like you got to find the best way to balance it, and that's where I'm at. I'm at trying to figure everything out, and I think that's really the revamp of my channel, just trying to figure it all out, trying to rebuild. I even wrote a script, y'all, and I never write a script for my videos because I just feel like it's not hard for me to articulate to you guys how I feel about certain things. It's not hard for me to get on camera and say certain things, but it was just so foreign to me, like sitting in front of a camera for a long period of time. And I mean, more than a minute and 30 seconds talking. Like it feels like it's foreign to me. So, honestly, the reason why I even set like what made me want to kind of take a break from YouTube or just fall out completely, because that's really what I did. That was a long 2 years is not even a break. That's just me pretty much abandoning my channel. Was the fact that for one, I went back to like working on my business. Um, I went back to doing makeup, which it's been going great. I've gotten so many clients. If you guys don't know, I've been doing makeup professionally for 13 years, but like I decided 2021 to go back to it. Like once the world opened back up, then there was when TikTok came into play with companies and when YouTube Reels, I mean not YouTube Reels, Instagram Reels came into play. It made everything just easier because now you're creating this condensed short content where it's not long. You don't have to sit there for hours trying to edit a video. You don't have to sit there for hours waiting for that set video to upload or coming up with descriptions or gaining like that attraction. Like it was just so much easier, and it just made me shy away from YouTube. Like it was just like, what do I need YouTube for? But honestly, like YouTube is really what built my confidence over the years getting in front of the camera. And it's just something that, like, once I sat down and I thought about it, like, it kind of hurt me because it's like, girl, like, you spent so much time building this channel. Like, you would get up certain days and film 3 videos in one day, and it's like you just said, F it, like, I'm just gonna go ahead and move on. So I aim to want to post more about what my interests are now, present day, where we are now, this season that I'm in. And the season that I'm in is pretty much getting your shit together. Like, pretty much just enjoying the bits and pieces of life, like the small things, the simple things. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know I really enjoy fitness. That has been something that I've always loved for forever. And if you've been on this channel, there's like little scattered fitness stuff in there, but the level that I'm at now is nothing compared to those videos. So this is why I'm excited to bring those specific fitness videos, because I'm ready. I'm ready. I've already been showcasing it on Instagram. I have 2 Instagrams now. So I have Peralta Knows Best, which is my beauty one, where I have content of my clients and of myself. And then I have my fitness one, which is Peralta Takeover. I will link it down below so you guys can go ahead and follow both of them. But I had to create a separate page eventually for my fitness stuff, because once I really got into the business aspect, like the makeup business, like really promoting it, I was just like, I don't want people coming to my page and being confused. Like, is she a makeup artist? Is she a personal trainer? Is she a fitness influencer? Is she a beauty? What is going on? So I didn't want to confuse anybody, and I created a whole different page. 2023, I believe. I've had that page for 2 years now. I think so. If I don't know if I'm correct, it doesn't have a huge following, but it's growing and I love it there. I love creating fitness content. I love creating workout videos, but I want to expand in that realm too, like bringing fashion to the fitness world, cuz yes, the gym is a fashion show. I don't care what anybody tells you. Um and just also creating, inspirational content as well. Like, if I could speak life into people through my content or anything like that, I will forever want to do that. Like, that has always been the goal on this channel or on my social media platform. I will be bringing you guys more content that is related to fitness. I will be bringing you guys content that is still related to beauty. It will probably not be a lot of wig tutorials, but as you can see, I did cut my hair, and I cut my hair in the beginning of the year. And y'all, let's give it up for me, because I've been styling my hair since I went to my hairstylist and he cut my hair off. And I haven't been to him since Easter. I have to book an appointment with him for my next birthday, which is in February. But I've been handling it at home. And I have so much to share when it comes to that. I got tutorials to share with y'all. I got routines to share with you guys. And I feel like YouTube is just the best, because with YouTube, I can in details do this with y'all. The last thing that I want to also share on my channel is just my daily life. Like, what does my daily weeks look like? Because my life is boring. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. I am home and at the gym. Yes. Yeah, go ahead. Go. Over there, Jane. Go to your bathroom and go look at it. I'll fix it when we're done. Close it. She took her bonnet off and she looked at her curls, and her curls shrunk. She is experiencing shrinkage. That's my daughter. She's 7. Y'all, she's big. She's big. And I might just do some vlogs with her too, with my kids. But I really just want to share, like, this life that I'm trying to build of structure, this growth journey with you guys. And I'm going to talk about different things. It's going to be fitness, it's going to be, things that I do on a daily, like what realistically that looks like, because I feel like social media is so easy to make habits and a healthy lifestyle and things look very easy. And I feel like it's so refreshing to see somebody just be real about what that looks like. So, with that being said, I'm going to let you guys go. I just wanted to come in and reintroduce the channel again. If you're new here and you are interested in what is to come, I highly recommend that you go ahead and follow me on my social medias. I'm going to say that number one because that's where I'm the most active. Subscribe to this channel and give this a like. Please leave your comments below. Let me know if there's anything you guys want to see too. I will be bringing, like, this, obviously this channel was like beauty based, but I will be bringing some little makeup tutorials and stuff. I have kept it super, super simple compared to my old videos when it comes to my makeup, but I still want to share that for the everyday woman. And there is a hair tutorial coming right after this video. So make sure that you check that video out as well, because I do plan on filming that today. Guys, I will leave all the information below. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and make sure that you hit that like button. I will see you guys soon. Bye.